Clerk, hello. Did you find everything you needed?
Customer, yes, thank you. I want to buy a sweater.
Clerk, great, that's a nice sweater. It's on final sale, so there are no clothing returns or clothing exchanges.
Customer, okay, that's fine.
Clerk, that item is on sale for $65.67 with GST. How would you like to pay? Cash, debit, or credit?
Customer, debit, please.
Clerk, you can tap your card here, or you can insert your card below.
Customer, done.
Clerk, perfect. Here's your receipt.
Customer, thank you.
Clerk, have a good day.
Customer, you too. Visit the ESL Directions website for online lesson plans and other resources for your class of ESL beginners.